Welcome to the laundry station at the Bernhard Museum Living History program. At this station, students will clean laundry the old-fashioned way with washboards and tubs. They will also use a hand-cranked wringer, clothesline, and iron. Please make sure to start with introductions and by reading the history portion at the top of the laminated instruction sheet. You can also show students the pictures of period clothing. To start, students will need to fill up 4 buckets of water. 2 will be split between the 4 wash tubs, while the other 2 will go on the stove to warm up. Students can take and fetch water from the summer kitchen, but they cannot come inside. An adult will put them on the back 2 rounds of the stove. These 2 buckets of hot water will also be evenly split between the 4 tubs. Once the tubs are filled, students will take turns washing clothes. They'll grate a small amount of soap onto the washboard and scrub the cloth up and down until it is clean. An adult will show the students how to put a small drop of bluing into the rinse tub to keep clothes bright. Students will then use the dasher to rinse the soap off of their cloth, gently plunging up and down. Students will then take their wet cloth to the wringer. An adult must start the wringer for them. Students may then help crank the wringer and pull the cloth out. Students will then take 2 clothespins, put part of their cloth over the clothesline, and pin it in place. Now it's time to iron. An adult can take 1 or 2 students with them to the summer kitchen to get a hot iron. Take the iron and handle from the table and trade it out with the iron that is on the stove. The handle has a button that pulls up to release and then down to attach. Students can carry the iron, but they may not come in the summer kitchen. Sprinkle a small amount of cornstarch on the clothing that is on the table and let students iron back and forth. Students will do these activities until the 5-minute warning. Remember, laundry was an all-day task. Students can wash several pieces of laundry during each activity. At the 5-minute warning, students will need to pair up and carry the tubs to the drain by the bathrooms. All 4 tubs should be dumped out after each group. At the end of the day, please take all the materials and stack them on the green bench. All the ironing tools can go in the small box, while all of the wash tubs, washboards, dashers, and buckets can be stacked inside one another. Wet cloths and the wringer can remain by the clothesline. Keep your students until the triangle rings, then walk them to the next station. Thank you.